is Harshvardhan Chaturvedi, and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we are going to talk about maintainability of appeal, section 37, subsection 1. A three-judge bench of the Supreme Court of India, comprising Justice R.F. Nariman, Naveen Sinha, and K.M. Joseph, by the judge dated 11 February 2021 in the case of Chintels India Limited versus Bhayana Builders Private Limited, held that an appeal under section 37 subsection 1 clause C of the Arbitration Conciliation Act 1996 is maintainable against an order refusing to condone delay in filing a setting aside application under section 34 of the 1996 Act. Factual background: the appellant filed a petition before the High Court of Delhi to set aside an award passed by the arbitral tribunal, accompanied by an application seeking condonation of the delay of 28 days in filing and 60 days in refiling the petition. However, with order and judgment dated 4 June 2020, the learned single judge of the High Court dismissed the application for condonation of delay and subsequently the setting aside petition, as the same was beyond the statutory period provided by the section 34 of the 1996 Act. Thereafter, the appellant filed an appeal before a division bench of the High Court, which held that an appeal is not maintainable from such an order. However, the division bench issued a certificate under Article 133 read with Article 134A of the Constitution of India 1950 to the appellant, granting liberty to approach the Supreme Court, which was availed of by the appellant. The issue before the Supreme Court was whether an order refusing to condone delay in filing a settling aside application is an applicable order under 1996 Act. Arguments by the appellant: the appellant submitted that section 39 of the 1940 Act is in pari maritia with section 37 of the 1996 Act. The appellant relied on SR Constructions versus NP Ramakrishna Reddy, SCC 94, to argue that an order dismissing an application to condone delay in filing a settling aside application is applicable under section 37 of the 1996 Act. The appellant submitted that an order refusing to condone delay and order condoning the delay are entirely different. The former imparts finality to proceeding while the latter does not. It was also submitted that a right of the appeal out not to be limited by the statutory interpretation, where the words used are capable of more comprehensive construction. While referring to the language of the section 37 subsection 1 clause C of the 96 Act, the appellant further argued that a refusal to set aside an arbitral award under section 34 includes section 34 subsection 3, whereby a court may refuse to condone delay in filing a settling aside application. The respondent submitted at the section 39 of the 1940 Act is materially different from the section 37 of the 1996 Act. The respondent submitted the section 5 of the 1996 Act limits judicial intervention in arbitration processes. It was submitted that section 37 is the furtherance of this, and an appeal can only be referred in relation to the specific matter provided for therein. The respondent also argued that an appeal, being a creature of the statute, has to be acted upon as provided in the statute and without any expansion thereof. The respondent places reliance on Union of India versus Simplex Infrastructures Limited to submit that whether the delay is condoned or not, the same result would ensure, as it cannot be said by condoning or refusing a condoned delay, an arbitral award either is or is not set aside. The court held that the expression setting aside or refusing to set aside an arbitral award in section 37 subsection 1 has to read with the expression under section 34. Thank you.